Nefco's biodiversity pilot program tests and develops concrete biodiversity solutions in collaboration with small and medium-sized companies. Now we hear the stories of 5 pilot companies who took part in this program. First, let's head to Sulapac's headquarters. Sulapac's main product is a sustainable alternative for plastic.
So biodiversity is becoming a more and more important factor when assessing the sustainability of a company. Also, some of our customers already incorporate biodiversity as part of their supplier and material evaluation process.
Next up, Norsepower. Their product, Rotosail, uses a minimal amount of the ship's electric power to rotate cylindrical sails on the ship's deck.
Norsepower has, for example, issued a ESG maturity query for its suppliers to recognize the most significant risks related to biodiversity.
Our journey continues to Meriaura Energy. They offer solar thermal systems for solar heating.
Nefco's program enabled Meriaura Energy to develop a detailed checklist for incorporating biodiversity in our project planning.
Next, we'll hear about Klappir's experiences. Their product is a sustainability performance cloud solution.
The program really helped us sort through the numerous methodologies on biodiversity accounting that are out there and helped us understand the common denominator between them all.
And finally, we have BaltCap. The private equity investor focuses on building businesses that increase the quality of life in our societies.
During the program, we gained a lot of knowledge about biodiversity. It is important for us to have the practical tools and KPIs for biodiversity, which is a new field for companies seeking to improve their environmental performance.
Nefco's biodiversity pilot program provided Nefco and the pilot companies with the knowledge and tools to continue integrating biodiversity work into their businesses. The program has been funded by the Nordic Council of Ministers. Please contact us if you're interested in hearing more about the program.